Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we got a 1970 Camaro Z28 split bumper Pro Touring. It's over the top. It's got to be over $100,000 invested in this car. Feels like you can reach your hand right into the paint. It's got an LS3 under the hood, stroked, fuel injected. Killer stance on this car, man. Just amazing. Wildwood brakes all the way around. It's completely blacked out. Black paint, black trim, moldings, emblems, black wheels. Real sinister looking car. 12-bolt rear. Oh, I'm sorry, 10-bolt rear. Hanging on coilovers. It's got a pipes exhaust. Very expensive exhaust. I think 346 gears. Got the halos up front. Let me turn those on for you. Beautiful super straight body. Front and rear spoilers. Got LED tail lights, also LED interior lights. Custom interior with power seats, custom console. It's all leather wrapped. Billet specialty steering wheel, also leather wrapped. Custom door panels. Got a white stitch in it to give a little bit of contrast. Billet door handles, GM seat belts, vintage air conditioning, auto meter gauges. This car is fuel injected too. You can drive it all around. Runs on pump gas. Custom stereo. You got kicker speakers here, and then you also have the 6x9s up there. Alpine head unit. It's got a 4L60 85E transmission. So it's the newer style 4L60. Again, LED interior lights. This console is all custom too. As you can see, it's all leather wrapped. Sound out of this car. It also has strong arm tubulars up front. That's your pipes exhaust, coilovers, sway bars, high skin subframe connectors. This car is done. Power seats are functional. Only a few thousand miles on the build on this car. There we are. Stroked LS3. Complete serpentine system. Air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. Wildwood. NSC coil pack. Drug sort and headers. Man, those are not cheap. All braided line. Smooth firewall. And a custom intake. Bill, can you hit the gas a little bit? No, hit the gas a little. I want to hear it. nice too. We also have this one. This is for sale as well. We got this one here with a Build Mitchell Hardcore 454 small block. This one is killer too. I'm gonna have this one listed shortly. Amazing car. You can check this one on our YouTube channel and also our website. Surprisingly good gas mileage too, this car. And I could just listen to that all day. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more information on our website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.